5 things about this designer kitchen that just make sense. A pull-out for cutting boards right on the island with knives directly above it for your chopping station. Pull-out trash can for recycling and trash, and a nested pull-out above for paper towels. Corner storage called a magic corner, which takes advantage of the whole space behind the cabinet with 2 racks that pull out. Pull out for utensils directly next to the range, and a matching pull-out for oils and vinegars on the other side. And cookbooks above the microwave, super easy to grab. Thanks for watching.